Hello guys, this is the look I'd be doing today. It's a very simple look with very minimal products, and all the products I used in this look is very affordable. Well, almost all. So hopefully you guys would enjoy watching this video, and if you do, please don't forget to give it a like. So if you like this look and want to know how to achieve this, then please keep watching. So I'm starting off by prepping my hair. I'm just pinning my hair up in curls so that when I take it down after I'm done, it has some volume and bounce to it. And after this, I'll start with my makeup. I've already moisturized my face, so I'm gonna straight away prime my face with this Inside 3-in-1 primer. It's an oil-free primer which does a decent job. I'm taking my time to press the product in and make the base as smooth as possible. I'm color correcting with this LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer. Again, I'm taking my time to blend in and make the base as even toned as possible. I'm using the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer on top of the color corrected areas. And then blending it further with my foundation brush to diffuse it further. On to foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 320 Natural Tan. For the highlighting concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 25 medium. I don't really like to highlight my under eyes. I use enough to just take the dullness away. Then I'm setting my face with the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the shade 25 medium. And then slightly contouring my face with the MAC Studio Fix powder foundation in the shade NC46. And now to my brows, I'm using the Miss Claire eyebrow pencil in the shade black to do my brows. People have such complicated eyebrow routines these days, and mine is so simple. I just use this pencil, that's it. I like my brows as natural as possible, and once I'm done with my brows, I'm gonna prime my eyelids with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 25. This helps clean up the brow line and also works as a base for the eyeshadow. I'm using the Makeup Revolution Reloaded palette Red Alert for this eye look. The look I'm going for today is simple glam, so the eye look is fairly simple. It just has 3 colors: a transition color, a crease color, and a base color. And then I'm topping it up with a highlighter to add some sheen to it. Then I'm using that corally transition color on my lower lash line. And finally lining my eyes with the Lakme Shine Line liquid eyeliner in the shade black. Adding some highlighting color on my brow bone and inner corners. Now I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye and be right back. I'm back and now I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara on my lashes. And for my blush, I'm using a very old Maybelline Color Show blush that I have for ages. I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Rose Gold. I love this highlighter and I have this in both the shades, the Rose Gold and the Gold shade. Once I'm done with highlighting my nose, I decided to contour my nose a bit. And now I'll go wear my lashes offline and be right back. Back again with my lashes on, and I'm using the Nykaa So Matte lipstick in the shade Taupe Thrill on my lips today. Now I'm a great fan of the Nykaa lipsticks. They are not only affordable but they also have a great formula. And now I'll be back after taking the pins off my hair. So here is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it. It's a pretty simple look. As you saw, I didn't use a lot of products and all the products I used are drugstore and very affordable. Well, almost all. If you guys like this look, then please do not forget to give this video a like. This was the first time I attempted a get ready with me video and I know it wasn't perfect, but I try to make them better in the future. So please subscribe to my channel and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.